Hi guys, we are at Bison today. I'm gonna show you how to install our soft drive fold. I'm gonna guide you step by step how to install it. Let's open it up. This kit comes with the cover, manual and weather strip. These are the locking mechanism at the front. They are adjustable. You make sure this thing goes as close as you can to the side of the truck. Once you're done with that thing, you use this thing. These are just for the extra security. You're gonna push it to the side of the truck and then you're gonna lock it down. Now we're gonna put the weather strip. If you're doing outdoor, you might have to use the heat gun. Peel off the strip, keep on putting in the middle, go all the way. Once you're satisfied, take the knife, cut it in the corner. Pick up the cover. Go at the front. Make it in the middle. Open up the buckles. Once you put the cover, you open it up. We're gonna close the tailgate and we're gonna center the cover according to our needs. Once you're satisfied, open the tailgate. Let's tie down the cover. Now you just have to push the clamp to the side of the truck. Make sure it goes behind the metal part and then you tied it up. This is the extra safety clip. You're gonna push it to the side of the truck and then you're gonna tie it up with the help of the nut. Once you're done with the front clamps, you're gonna open it up and then we're gonna tighten up the back clamps. These are the back clamps. It comes with the adjustment. You're gonna choose whichever one is the closest to the side of the truck. Push the cover down with your hand, tighten up the clamp. Make sure you go behind the metal part behind the side of the truck and then push it down. Once the cover is aligned and clamps are tightened, you're all set. If you have any more questions, feel free to call Bison Tonneau Cover. Have a good day.